Have you ever wondered why some people making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year are still living paycheck to paycheck, while others earning an average salary quietly build massive wealth? The difference isn't how much they make. It's a fundamental misunderstanding of one single word, a misunderstanding that traps millions in a cycle of financial stress. Today we are extracting the core mental models from Robert Kiyosaki's legendary book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This isn't just a book about money, it's a masterclass in psychological framing. Kiyosaki contrasts the mindsets of his two dads, his biological father, highly educated but struggling, and his best friend's father, a dropout who became incredibly wealthy. We are going to break down the exact psychological frameworks that separate the wealthy from the middle class, starting today. The first profound shift is understanding that the rich don't work for money. Most are trapped in a script. Go to school, get good grades, get a safe job. This creates a trap driven by fear and greed. Fear makes us work hard, and greed makes us spend that paycheck on things we want. The rat race. The wealthy flip this script. Instead of working for money, they figure out how to make money work for them. They understand that a high salary doesn't cure financial fear, only financial intelligence does. If you enjoy learning practical, deep ideas, consider liking this video and subscribing for more insights. Forget what your accountant tells you. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes it out. Meet Sarah, a doctor earning $200,000. She buys a massive house and luxury car. She has acquired liabilities disguised as assets. Now meet Mark, a teacher. He lives modestly but buys a small duplex. The rent covers his mortgage. Mark has a true asset. The rich buy true assets, businesses, real estate, stocks, things that generate cash flow without physical labor. There is a major difference between your profession and your business. Your profession pays the bills. Your business is your asset column. To build wealth, you must start minding your own business. Keep your daytime job, but start buying real assets. Let's look at the legal framework. A corporation earns, spends everything it legally can, and then pays taxes on what's left. First, audit your cash flow. Track every dollar and categorize them. Is this buying an asset or a liability? Third, pay yourself first. Take a percentage of your income and put it directly into your asset column before bills. The ultimate lesson isn't about money. It's about freedom. Master the rules of the game to buy back your time. Stop working for money. Start acquiring assets. Educate yourself financially. Let me know which concept surprised you in the comments.